got the potential to do as you will. The only problem is there's these other gods in the way.
Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. What controls you is your God. Generator, operator, destroyer. God is within you, and you resonate with the God body all the time.
Say what?
John chapter 10, verse 34. Jesus replied, "Is it not written in the law that ye are God?" Genesis 1, verse 26. And God said, "Let us make man in our image, after our likeness, and let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the flow of the air, and over the cattle, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creeps on the earth."
I got a bad feeling about this.
You are the one and true God. But you're greater than that. You are a chaos being. Creator of the gods. Creator of all that you survey. Potential energy in the flesh. You have the potential to do as you will. The only problem is there's these other gods in the way. In this matrix, we put ourselves in a test, a challenge, and an experiment to see if we can get out. As the king of Zamunda, the greatest greatness, you don't have much to worry about. You set out the time scale and made the destination designed for you to learn something new. As a soul having a human experience, you have amnesia to who you divinely are. Your greatest hurdle is a human and the emotional barriers we call chakras. Our emotions are impacted with a survival mode frequency. The human hurts, and one thing we learn very soon as a soul having a human experience is we don't like to feel pain. We are not inclined to feel hurts. Pain is something our human doesn't like, and the more we can stay away from it, the better we're off. We've gotten so comfortable and passive to take as little as pain as possible that we damn near curved it and appease it with substances, food, TV, and more things to suppress the hurt away. Or better yet, not feel it at all. The new gods.
The new gods. The new gods.
Whatever you can't control and whatever has a hold on you is your God.
Message.
Our human is triggered with good feeling responses, and the dopamine effect is a juggernaut in your brains. The real power in the real game is to do everything in moderation and not let one of these addiction factors control how you move. I remember it like it was yesterday. I would get through working and slaving a job for a whole week, and then every Friday, every time, I would hit that liquor store. Yeah, I was headed to the liquor store. Hell, fuck Friday, the liquor store started creeping into the weekday. Before you knew it, I was having a drink every night.
Every night to garner a good feeling response.
Okay.
It was throwing off my morning meditations and placing me in a dependency frequency. All of a sudden, I couldn't function without it. I was having trouble concentrating at work. My channels and my dreams was not coming through clearly. I was in war for my spirit, and the spirits was winning. I had to do something. I was not feeling in control of my situation, and alcohol became my crutch, my new God. I did a fast and made changes to my diet, and I curbed that God addiction to the curb. It started with a decision, a choice, an opportunity. to let go and let God. I decided from that moment on, if I'm bringing on anything that's tough, I'll observe ego and make the necessary adjustments to let go and let God. I am God. I am chaos being. And I don't need nothing to satisfy my time here on this earth realm. Taking the steps to scream out loud, I'm unstoppable. And my light shines bright even in the dark. Dream wise.